French woods, a marvelous ecosystem bustling with life, from big to small. We will start with the more wild of these creatures, the bumblebee, Bombus. The bee carries a powerful sting, which can be harmful to the receiver and bee alike. The bee uses its sting in sacrifice of its own life. Other relatives of the bumblebee include the hornet, another French woods regular. And now we move to our avian friends, the American robin. It flies over the camp, constantly looking for food, which it regurgitates for its young. Its young now have grown feathers, but less than a week ago, these robins were newly hatched. The European rabbit, Oryz citagulus corniculus. The rabbit eats wild plants and lives in burrows dug in the dirt. And one of the largest animals in our woods, the white-tailed deer, Odocoilus virginianus. The deer is quite sedate and has no predators or living prey. Deep in the man-made burrows this creature calls home, we find a wellspring of new life, including the common house spider, Parastatodia tepididorium. But whose house is it that this spider lurks in? We now behold in the animal genus Camperus, the camper. The camper has a diet of mostly burgers, chicken nuggets, and various flavors of pudding. The Camperus theatricosus, better known as the theater camper. This camper enjoys some ritual activities every day, like singing, dancing, and pretending to be other subspecies of Camperus. Another prominent subspecies of Camperus is Camperus circusus, which enjoys activities that other subspecies would call risky. The Camperus dancissus also takes risks to enjoy its arts. The Camperus magicus is perhaps the most elusive subspecies, as they are known to make things, and themselves, disappear and reappear instantly. And of course, there are the ones who record all of this in an infinite lasting film, Camperus filmatus. Another species that coexists with the Camperus group is the Councillaris. The Councillaris participates in the Camperus' activities and facilitates them while those activities are happening. A similar species to the Councillaris, Hedis councillaris, are Councillaris species with more power. The Robsinus medidus, better known as Robsin. This creature reminds other Camperus and Councillaris to take their meds and drink water. As well as this, there is an even greater organism that coexists with the Robsinus, known as the rare Ronens maximus. The Ronens can and will push and punish campers and Councillaris species for wrongdoings, and is a very benevolent apex predator. In hindsight, while the land of French woods is consistently the same, the wildlife we see in it is new and changing. This is life in our woods.